Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we've got a Dewalt electric chainsaw. This is a 16-inch. This is model number DCCS670. So in this video I'm just going to be going over the tool features of this, and then if you want to check out my other video, I show you how to change a blade on this. It's a little bit longer of a video, but it goes through in detail how to change out this blade correctly. So this video will just be on just the features of it. So the first thing we'll show you is the battery. So we'll remove the battery by pressing in this button right here, pulling straight out. And you can see this is the 6 amp hour flex volt. This is the battery that comes with it. So I have a link in my description on where to buy this saw, and that includes this battery. I think it's around 350 bucks for the saw and the battery. So then to put the battery back in, you just line up these grooves right here with these slots and then just press down hard until it clicks. So now our battery is inserted, and we'll go back on the saw to the trigger. So you could see the trigger, you can't just press it and start the saw. You have to press this down and then press this up. So push this down and pull your trigger, and then it still won't start if you have this brake engaged fully this way. So you could see it won't start. You have to pull this brake up. You only have to do it once, and then it kind of sits engaged, and then you could push your safety down and pull your trigger, and the saw will start. So now we'll remove the battery because we're going to be showing you some stuff near the blade. So this right here is where you put bar oil in. So you can see this flips up, and then you rotate this counterclockwise. It's just a quarter turn, and then the plug comes out. You put your bar oil in. Just be careful not to overfill it, so just keep an eye on it when you're putting it in there. And then to tighten, you just turn it clockwise, that counter turn. So I'll show you that again without my hand in the way. And then just push this down. Now your cap's back on. Now we'll flip the saw over, and we'll show you this right here removes the housing. And I go through this more in detail when I do the blade change, but pretty much to remove this housing, you just pull this up, kind of like the oil cover, and you just twist this counterclockwise, and it gives you access to inside the saw. And then put that back on, rotating that clockwise. Tighten it down and snug it up. And this knob right here, this loosens or tightens your blade. So when you're using, if you're working on your saw, or if you're using your saw and you notice the blade getting a little bit loose, then you would twist this clockwise to tighten it and counterclockwise to loosen it. And again, I go through all this in detail in my other video. But as far as blade, how tight do you want the blade? You want to be able to lift the blade up a little bit out of the bar, but you don't want it so tight that you can't lift it, or so loose that you could kind of lift it and pull it right off. You just want it just like that. You just lift it up and it comes up a little bit out of the bar. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's the features of this Dewalt DCCS670 16-inch electric chainsaw. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Like I said, I go through a full video on this on a blade change, and I have a lot of other tool and DIY videos. So yeah guys, that's it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.